Alright, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. Today is drift day, once again. Yeah. We're on our way to Calder. The car's still filthy, to be honest. It hasn't been washed since Mount Gambier Matsuri, but that's alright. We're here to do skids. And with us is Ben. Yeah.
Let's get it. First
drift day in the rig. Chucked her on a trailer, just in case he walls it, but that's not going to happen. Need to shut your little boot thingy. But yeah, Ben's first drift day in his R33. It's going to be epic. He's towing with the Falcon. I've pinched Mum's car because my work car is out of action at the moment. Ben's getting some of that gay fuel. The old 98, Old Faithful. Yeah, should be an epic time. Going to try GoPro Ben up and get plenty of footage of him learning the ropes. I reckon it'll be pretty cool, similar to my very first video on the channel, but with more vlogging.
Yeah. Oh, this is not to put it in. Well, there we go again.
But yeah, I'll try to get lots of footage and stuff of Ben. I reckon that'll be pretty interesting to watch rather than just all of me drifting, because we've all seen plenty of that. Then by the end of the night, me and Ben will be doing tandems. Alrighty, so we're about 10 minutes off and drifting started 1 minute ago. Running a little bit late, the traffic was just messed up on the way here because there was a crash, because people don't know how to drive in Melbourne. But yeah, just gonna get there straight away, unload the cars and probably just go ripping. It's definitely not gonna be the most ideal conditions for drifting. It's patchy as, like on the radar, there's just spots of rain everywhere, so it's just gonna keep getting wet, dry, patchy. It's going to be interesting, but oh well, we're here to have fun and that's what we're going to do, so going to send it regardless. But yeah, it's not super stoked on what the weather's doing, but hopefully we can, even if it's towards the later in the night, it will just dry up and it'll just be dry for the rest of the night. That would be sweet. Chances of it raining later are less likely, so maybe a bit of patchiness at the start, then hopefully dry drifting and mad skids after that. Super keen, and I'll see you when I get there. Alright, we're at the track and both the cars just got screwed in here. Mine's just warming up and Ben's going to take a piss, and then we're going to get out on track. Already seen 2 cars absolutely binning into the wall, so let's hope we don't do any of that.
Fucking interlock's going to go off of me straight away. What a cunt of a thing.
You G'd up, mate?
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Nervous?
Yeah, nerves kicking in a little bit.
Yeah, you'll be right. Take it easy. Get the hang of it. Get used to it. Don't go throwing your car at the wall straight away.
No, we'll try to avoid that.
Pretty cold out. Got the stockies on, some fresh treads. Woo! Still got the stickers on, nice. Hey, look out!
Look out! Oh, did you get in for free?
Nah. Keen?
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Let's do it. Cable tied it in to try to close this gap, but ain't gonna happen. Oh well, it needs more trimming. Well, I missed Ben's first little skid because I cable tied my guard too close to my wheel, but that's alright. We'll see his next one. Never drifted this backwards, that's weird. lets fumes into the car. So if I don't have my windows down a little bit, I get gassed out bad. Oh, and these tyres are going to be slippery. Look, it's already slippery. It's starting to dry up now and we're getting some laps in, smoking some tyres. But we got Emily in the car, Maxie's missus. She's going to come for a bit of a spin. It's actually the first girl I've ever had in the car, so it should be funny. You'll be fine. Let's do it. Alright, so I went through all the tyres that I bought, but I just bought some off a dude here. I've dropped them off at the tyre changing joint. They're going to change them for me, but there's a bit of a queue and there's only half an hour drifting left, so I'm not sure if I'll get out again. But going out for a spin with Benny. He's been killing it, getting the hang of it now, so yeah, should be good.
See how we go.
Didn't end up throwing the GoPro on him and getting fuck all clips of him, but I'll get a bit of inside footage here. Should be alright.
Still haven't got this one down.
Yeah, boy! Woo! Oh yeah. Spinner. Straight mungies. Yeah, for sure. Oh yeah. Oh, that was looking good. Drop a tyre in the dirt.
I was doing too much fucking limiting though, that's why I backed off.
True, I could barely tell, mate. After this one, fucking big flick. Yeah! Just need that little bit more angle. Oh yeah. Oh. Da. Yo.
Normally you go to the Western Ring Road, you'll see the one big second. He's taken off. Where these boys, you see him bring the front wheel up as high as possible, make the bike tilt back, and you ride the brakes so you get that balance point where you can take it into a circle and ride the bike into the way. Make it happen and ride it!
There's a limiter. Bouncing.
Make some noise!
Whoa, we got one tip and a stall. We got Jordan in his sub 200 kilowatt 180SX SR20 tower. That thing came with a 326 power wing, full kit, and he's lost it all tonight. He's sending it. I think he needs, looks like he needs a surge tank as well, but
Bit of fuel
that's
surge.
right. Up, get it up. That's it, the brake.
SR power, baby. No walls were hit. Alrighty, so it was the next day after the drift event. Didn't wrap up the vlog last night because I was super tired, it was super late and it was super dark. Yeah, I probably did a pretty crap job last night of the old vlogging. Me and my brother were both just sort of focusing on the driving. It's hard to do like camera stuff and root around with GoPros and stuff when you're just too caught up in having fun and getting as much driving in as possible. So a bit slack on my end, but maybe at the next event I'll try to crack down on some more filming and stuff like that. But yeah, so this video might not be too long because it's really just GoPro footage of me and a tiny little bit of footage of Ben, but you can't really see much in that either. It's really just, I was pointing the camera at him and I probably should have pointed it out the windscreen a little bit more. But yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. Thanks for watching and yeah, stay tuned. I think I'm probably not going to do another event on this gearbox and clutch. It's seen better days and the SR20 box is just rubbish. So I think I'm just going to start getting bits and pieces together to do a Z32 300ZX gearbox and a stronger clutch. And I need the tail shaft and adapters and stuff like that. Keen as to get a decent box in there so I can start getting some better shifts, because that box does not like being like slapped into gears. So yeah, super keen to get all that happening and get back out there slaying tyres. And if I do get a stronger gearbox and clutch, then there's a good chance that down the line I'll probably pump more power into it, but maybe not just yet. I want to just start really driving the shit out of the setup I've got now. I just want some more decent gearbox and clutch in there. Yeah, hopefully once I do that the car will be super reliable. I need new coilovers too and wheels, so they're on the list as well. But yeah, get all that shit sorted and then definitely want to be jumping in some competitions next year and doing some competing. I reckon that'll be fun, good way to push my driving as well and bang some doors, because at the moment I'm struggling to, well, find people to bang doors with, because I'm a bit about just jumping on random people's doors at the track. So doing some competition will just throw me in the deep end, so I reckon that'll be really good. So yeah, super keen to do that, so stay tuned, plenty happening. See you in the next one.